So I was asked by our professor to create a tutorial video on how to get the right link for Evernote. So here's my video. So first you're going to go to Evernote and you're either going to sign up and create an account if you don't have one, or you're going to sign in if you already have one. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in since I already have an account. And then once you sign in, your page will pop up and you're just going to hit Note right here in the green and create your product on here. I can show you an example of the product I created. So mine was a reading list I made of students' names and the books they read. So once your product is created and you are ready to insert your link, you're going to go up here where it says share. And when yours pops up, yours is going to look like this where it says restricted. And so all you're going to do is hit the arrow and hit anyone with link can view. So yours should now look like this, and then you're just going to hit copy link. Then once your link is copied, you're going to go back to your Google site where you will insert the link that you copied here. Then you're going to copy this link, and then you're going to hit these three dots and find on here where your incognito mode is. You're going to hit that, insert your link, hit enter, and your product should pop up here, no problem, just like mine just did, and you shouldn't have to sign in at all. And yeah, that's a tutorial on how to get the proper link for your Evernote. I hope this video helped, and thanks for watching.